What's up, craft fairies? It is create time. I am so sorry. I am not feeling well right now, so my voice is wacky. But I'm finally opening my create box. Create is 2 days away, so it is time to get to it. I still haven't registered, and I need to register. So, here's the program here. This is standard every year, and I believe it's create 9. So here is our program. Here's the pen, and here's the classes. So yeah, okay. So I know Anna had showed some things on TV. So the first class is Beautiful Birthday, and let's see what this is about. So this started last year with Create, where she will send you, I believe it was last year, where you get you can be ahead of the class, so you can go ahead and cut out all of your die cuts and your papers. So, oh look, we got birthday for men and women, and this is really pretty. And then we got some liners, envelope liners. Oh, I love this blue. Sentiments. And so after I finish this video, I'm gonna go ahead and get signed on and try to prep for the classes. If I don't do it today, I may have to do it tomorrow. So we got some inserts, sentiment inserts, and we have some cards. Okay, so that's the first class. Let me not get all this mixed up. I think she said we were gonna, I think it was 12 cards. I believe that's what I heard. So 12 cards, and then this one. Yay, who's ready for Christmas? You haven't heard from me in a bit because I have not been crafting. I haven't had the time, so that's why you haven't seen any videos up. But Create is here, and unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but I have to make the time for this class because obviously I paid for it. Look at this. This is so pretty. So here are our embellishments. Poinsettias and Santa, holly, Christmas cards. So we're gonna make some, I think she said ornaments or card ornaments, something like that. This is so pretty. I wonder if this is one piece and we cut it up, or is it like several pieces? I think it's one piece. Is it? Okay, yeah, it's like one piece. Some sentiments here, some gold foil. How cute. Victorian Santa. Let's see, some cards here. Card layers. And my gosh, I'm so excited for the class. And let's see what else we got. Cards and gold foil. Okay, so that's the second class, and then the third class. So each day we do 3 classes. They are 90 minutes each. So then this one is called Perfect Tags. So yeah, I love these boxes this year. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So here's the perfect tag. So it looks like you're getting 4 sets of tags. How cute are these? This is gonna be super fun. So there are some embellishments. So there's everyday and Christmas, and then we have ribbon, sentiments for everyday for Christmas, some twine and some cards and some foil. Oh my god, I love this red foil. Is this the foil that I like? I think so. And we have the colors of red for holiday, and gold and purple and pink. So that's the perfect tags. This box is packed. I don't remember how many tags we're going to make. So, okay, so then the second day is going to be class 4, I believe. It's 4, yeah, Christmas crackers. So I've made Christmas crackers before with a diamond press set that I have. But these are like Anna Griffin style. So these are some large dies. So we got some everyday, some holiday colors in here. We got tissue paper. It's all red. Tissue paper in here that's all red. And then we have, there's a lot of paper. I mean, that's not a bad thing, but here, and then this. What is this? This is so much. Okay, so this is like some white cards. I don't know. It's just a lot, like more than normal. So, and then this is wrapping paper. This is so pretty. So this is not like her cardstock. This is so pretty. This is like, she has paper in these. I have these in cardstock, but this is actually a different weight. Wow, this is gonna be fun. All right, so then class number 5. There's a lot of stuff. So then class number 5 is the photo cards. We did the photo ones 2 years ago. I think it was in 2021 we did the photo class. So that is here, called Photo Finish. And this is like a easel card, but like I said, in Create in 2021 we did a photo one. Different, very different dies. I'm sorry, I'm curious. This is in the box and I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know what this is for. This feel like chipboard. I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me what that's for. So here are the beautiful dies, and this is what it will look like. So pretty. And envelopes, and it looks like we're going to be able to do every day and holiday. So this is my, oh my god, my 4th Create. And this beautiful paper here. Yep, so every day and holiday. So this is my 4th Create, and in a row, and it's super addicting. It is that one time of the year that I look forward to. I know you guys probably that have went to her creates when they were in person. I don't know how she'll ever do that again, because I believe, if I'm correct, that only, I believe there was a maximum capacity of about 250 people. And ever since she started doing online, I'm not sure how she can make that happen with thousands of people wanting to see her in person and attend Create. That she can make that happen where you can get thousands of people in a room and have a Create. So honestly, of course I would love to be in her presence, but I think online is better. So this one is a perfume box. Excited about this one because I love perfume. This is so cute. Look at that. So we got that, and we got some paper. So yeah, what do you think, you guys? Probably, would you prefer it to be like in person or at home? I just don't know. I mean, imagine all of the die cutting machines that would be needed, and I mean, it would be nice to go somewhere and meet everybody, but I don't know this. So this is, I don't know why I'm thinking this is a magnet, but this is not. This is the first time I'm seeing her black matte cardstock. I have the shiny, but I don't have the matte. So okay, I thought that was a magnet. And then here are some mascara roses and a bunch of embellishments for our perfume bottles. Oh my gosh, so happy. And the perfume bottle is a box, so I'm going to use it as a gift box, and it looks like you might be able to fit some perfume in there. So how pretty are these? All right, so yeah, so I've been going to Create since it was started at home, which was in 2020. So I just love the convenience of being home. All right, so then this one is, this is on I believe this is going to be on the third day, the Trellis album. Okay. So here are the dies for the spine. This looks like a bench, and there's 2 pages of dies in here. Let me open it. The other ones you could see from the front, but this one has 2. So I believe, is it every year we made it? I believe every year we made some type of a journal or album. Look at that. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look at these. Yay. Borders, corners there, quarters. I can't get it out. Excuse me. I cannot get that out. Look at that. We're gonna make a big, thick, juicy album. So nice. So then we got, what is this? Okay, so we're using Annalise embellishments and papers. The Annalise collection here. So we have all of this. And more here. So pretty. Annalise. And then what is this? Is this I don't know. I've seen it before. Then we got some foil here. It's this pretty teal color and gold. And then we got some more embellishments here. Okay, so that's for the Trellis album. And then here, woo, I think this is the one that everybody is super excited about. This is the Antique Armoire, and I actually was getting ready to buy before Christmas. Tonic Studios has a die set like this, and I was gonna buy it, but I'm not now because I have this. This is just stinking cute, and what girl wouldn't want this die set? So yeah, so Tonic Studios has this, and I was gonna buy it, but now I don't have to. I mean, not that you can't have more than one company, but oh my god, look at this. This is just too precious. Really? If you take the class, take it for this. I took it for this in the box. No. Look at that. That's so pretty. So it comes with all little I'm glad she gave us multiple hangers and not just one to cut several times. So there's 2 sets of dies in here. So let me open this. So far the classes I'm most excited about is this one, the album, and the perfume bottle. And then look at this paper. I don't know what this is called, but I think it's new. But yeah, this is really pretty. I've seen some of those prints before, but not this one. This is super pretty. So yeah, I'm most excited. Some foil paper, and then here's all the things that I guess that we're gonna put in. These are little dresses that we're gonna make and put these, hang these in the closet. But yeah, I'm most excited about those so far since going through the box. I'm excited for them all, but I think those 3 are going to be my favorite. I got an email a few weeks ago saying that you could, if you didn't want to participate in full 3-day session, you could have taken it the classes by day. So you could have purchased 1 day or 2 days. These are so cute. So this is all the little stuff that's going to go with that. So that is the Antique Armoire. And then the final class, I'm excited about this one too. So she's been doing ornaments. We did it last year, and I can't remember if we did it the year before. Oh my gosh, we make so much stuff. But who's new to create this year? And who's going back? All right, so we got, let me open this up because there's 2 pages here. So last year for the ornaments, we had a castle, we had a house, we had an Eiffel Tower, and we had a gift box as a present. So this year we have a snowflake, and these are like 3-dimensional, like shadow box style, and that one already is my favorite. So it's a snow globe, there's a Christmas ornament, and then there's a snowflake. So they're like shadow box effect. That is going to be spectacular, so I'm excited about that one as well. So here we go. So this is the snow globe, and then you could use these still on top of your cards. You don't have to make the ornaments. And then this one is the box that goes, I believe it goes in the back of it or in between it. Yeah, in between it. So you make your box, and then you have your, it's in between your two ornaments. And then this is the snowflake. So pretty. Is that a snowflake or a star? I would say it's a snowflake. And then the ball. Look at Santa, so cute. I love that dove. That might be a star. I don't know. Sorry, I'm curious. Is this considered a star? I think it's a star then. I don't know. I think you could use either or. Some embellishments. Oh my god. Love this paper. Oh my god, and we got so much. I hope there is some left. Oh my god, I hope it's some left. Look at that. None like no other. Okay, can we just thank you, Anna? We got silver, we got gold, we got some champagne up in here. We have Christmas 2023. Some little things here. Oh god, I love this red foil. Okay, and we got a lot of foil in here, and this foil colors are let's see, we got silver. I'm just seeing silver and red. Oh no, I'm seeing some foil silver as well. Okay, nice, like a mirror. And then we have this beautiful paper right there. And then we have our little strings to hang our ornaments. And then we have what everybody's favorite is the swag bag. So this is extras. During the classes, maybe 2 or 3 times she'll tell you to go to the swag bag and grab something. But for the most part, this is just like a lot of freebies. So like of course you will probably use this tape, and then you'll use your foam stickers, you know. And she may say, oh, you know what, go to your swag bag and grab this or grab that. But for the most part, all of this is extra stuff. Like, it's Christmas, it's everyday. Look at that, it's birthday. Oh my god, the balloons, it's birthday. Oh, so pretty. And look at this. I love this. I love it. I love those green. I have some of those and I refuse to use them because I have so few of this green color of her bows. So then we have a beautiful olive, a gold, a red, and we have these beautiful smaller ones. The pink is my favorite, and then purple, ivory, and gold. So that's it. And then a couple of times she'll tell us to go to the swag bag and grab paper. So like here's some extra paper, and this paper right here is probably for our album, probably. And then we have some foil. Look at this, all this extra foil. You know, I've built my foil collection up from Anna. A lot of it came from you know, her kits, and then swag bags over the years, and then buying them when they're, you know, if you're on auto ship. So look at that, pretty gold, pretty pink, green. There's 2 types of greens in there. Purple. Look at that red. Oh my god, can you just not be so pretty? And then that's a foil red, and that's the first time I think I've seen Anna with, I mean, let me not say that, the first time I am gonna be using her foil red, because I don't think I've ever seen it. Then we got this beautiful red, and we have like this rose gold or copper. I think it's like a rose gold because it looks pink to me. So that's the swag bag. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I am going to try to cut up my materials and get ready because class is starting soon. Oh my gosh, it's like less than 48 hours away. So if you're there, you see me, say hi. And I hope everybody has a fun, nice time. And thank you for watching. Bye.